So it's just gone 6 p.m. here, and we have now seen the final production version of the all-new CUPRA Tavascan launched at the Formula E race in Berlin. And in this video, we're going to run through everything that we know so far, but for the latest information, including UK specification, make sure you click subscribe and click the bell icon so always get notified whenever we load up new content. Starting with the exterior, we know that the car will be a coupe SUV that sits above Formentor in the range. It will have design cues that are familiar to the CUPRA brand, with scoops and bulges highlighting the sporting intentions of the vehicle. There'll also be flashes of copper as per usual. There'll also be some new design cues that will feature on future models as well, including the matrix LED lights and the light bar that will incorporate the CUPRA logo in the centre. As well as that, there'll be a new illuminated logo on the front, and there will also be up to 21-inch forged alloy wheels. Inside, the new interior features a new central 15-inch infotainment display, which sits above an array of touch-sensitive climate controls that are illuminated. The familiar 5-inch driver's display controls and steering wheel are carried over from the existing Born. The entire cabin also features a raised centre console that CUPRA are calling the central spine, which is designed to give the interior more of a cockpit feel. Seats are similar to the ones found in the Born and can be specified with a choice of 3 recycled textiles and suede materials. This is then finished off with oodles of ambient lighting and also features a new premium audio system made by Sennheiser. Despite its coupe design, however, the boot capacity is a generous 540 litres and includes a flat floor. To give some perspective, the Kia EV6 only has 480 litres, whereas the Born, being a smaller vehicle, has 380. Powering the car, there will be 2 motor options, a single motor endurance version and a twin motor VZ option. The first will have a 341 mile range and will send power to the back wheels with 282 horsepower. The VZ version will be a twin motor setup powering all 4 wheels and will have 335 horsepower available to it, and will allow the vehicle to do 0 to 62 in 5.6 seconds. This will have a range of about 321 miles on a WLTP cycle. Both are then mated to a 77 kilowatt hour battery. For charging, the car will also be able to draw 135 kilowatts of power, and that will allow the car to charge from 10 to 80% in around about half an hour. We also got a chance to have a look at the all-new Dark Rebel concept, a sort of Batmobile-esque looking car that you can actually configure on the CUPRA website right now. We are anticipating the order books to open towards the end of the year, with delivery starting in the early part of 2024. UK details and pricing haven't been announced yet, but as soon as they do, we will be the first to announce it. So make sure you follow us on social media, such as Facebook and Instagram at CUPRA Woking. And of course, we'll post all the details here on our YouTube channel, including a full walkthrough of the car as soon as it lands with us. So make sure you click subscribe and click the bell icon so you're always notified whenever we make new content. Until then, I'm Max, this is SMC Motor Group, and I'll see you on the next one.